Hey guys, welcome to WLinks Technologies guys. Once again, we have got you a very great deal. It's an amazing opportunity to make big money because it has got a big stock, big quantity, and they are all branded and they are packed very well in its original packaging, and they are all branded stuff, and they are 120 watt, various models. 40 watt, 33 watt, 100 watt, PD 27 watt, PD 20 watt, 100 watt, and a lot of other different models. And these are all US pens. We got an European plug, we got an UK plug as well. So it's about 27,000 pieces stock. 27,000 pieces stock, guys. It's amazing deal if you want big money and good profit, guys. So this deal is profitable, and the price is mind-blowing, guys. It will blow up your mind if you see the price. So if you're interested, you please do contact us. The stock is right here in the warehouse, and I'm going to show you all in very details. If you're interested, guys, you can contact us, and I will give you details of all this stock. So these are the original packaging, the quantity, and the model number is written outside, and stock is right here. You can see. So let's see which model is in this box. Yeah, so this one is the 40 watt gun charger with a cable, very heavy packaging, and there are 120 pieces per carton. So 27,000 pieces arrived, and these are all US plug and European plug, and UK plug is arriving tonight. So they are 27,000 pieces. Absolutely amazing deal, guys. And the price is very good. If you are looking for a good price and amazing product, well wrapped, packaged, original packaging, original stuff, so this is the deal. You can grab this deal, and this one is 120 watt, 120 watt, and there are so many models. They're all mixed 27,000 pieces, 66 watt, and we got so I'm just showing you that the stock is right here, guys, and this one is also 66 watt, original packaging, very good price. If you guys want to know the price, so you can contact us. If you want to take all, the price is amazing. If you want to take separate models, you want to choose different models, so also let us know, and we also have the opportunity to give you different models that you specifically like to have, you want to order. So these are the models I just took out from the cartons inside, and the price is amazing. Good deal, guys. If you're interested, do let us know. I've just showed you all the stock, and it's ready here, and some of the stock which is European plug and UK plug that is coming tonight, guys. So if you're interested, guys, do contact cnwlinks.com, and you can see our WeChat and WhatsApp number in the comment pinned below. Stay tuned. Goodbye for now.